Well, there's certainly growing concern over COVID case counts, now at a 37% increase in the last week. And younger people are being hospitalized with the virus. Let's go now to our Lisa Balick, who was in on a meeting just this afternoon where state health leaders briefed lawmakers. And Lisa is digging into what they had to say. Lisa?
Well, there is actually a bit of good news to report today. It seems that a majority of Oregonians who went and got their first COVID shot are returning to get their second shot. In fact, the head of the Oregon Health Authority today said that 95% of those who got the first shot did get the second shot, so they are fully vaccinated. Now in Oregon, we are starting though to see a slowdown in people wanting to get vaccinated. In fact, 13 counties outside the Portland area now telling the state not to send any new doses. They don't have the demand. That's trouble though, since state health leaders say most people in those counties have not been vaccinated. And Oregon continuing to see a sharp increase in cases of COVID, more so than other states based on our population.
What's concerning is that the yellow bar, so those 50 to 64, seems to have the largest percentage increase amongst our cases, followed by the gray bar below that, that's those 35 to 49. So these are individuals who were not prioritized based on age for vaccinations early on, and they are representing a larger proportion of those in the hospital.
And also keep in mind, we found out those folks did not have underlying health conditions. Now, even with the state doing about 35,000 doses a day, only 27% of Oregonians are fully vaccinated right now. Only 40% have had a first shot. Now, food processing and congregate care facilities are still where they have seen the largest number of outbreaks. And they say when it comes to school cases, they are not seeing transmission within the schools. They're saying those cases come from activities outside the school. I'll have more on what they had to say to state lawmakers today coming up at 5. Live in downtown Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah,